Waking up early, got my eyes on the chart. Every tick's a chance, playing smart from the start. Discipline's my weapon, got the mindset to rise. In the game of momentum, I'm aiming for the prize.
Okay guys, so this is a review for the trade session on London. It happens today and he missed the trade, and he will review why and what he should improve for the next time. So he was here when he start the session. It was something around here, so he identified the trap, that's perfect. He identified the internal range liquidity, that's also amazing. He defined the trend line liquidity also as a trap, a trend line liquidity. All of the K levels here on the higher time frame bias here confirmed. The 4-hour K level was confirmed. Everything was confirmed. What was is he looking for the 3-minute rejection block here. Was here the rejection block, and that not play out, and then as he also can use the IPA, he should start to take this in consideration, to start using it more time, at least check if is there any available in let me take the Asia out. So, and as you can see, he have the inducement as well. That's where the inversion IPAs get in on that candle that call as an inducement. So as soon you get in at the inversion IPA, the market should push high and then trying to take you out of break even. That is exactly what happened. If you play one candle, you will see the next candle was a nice candle, so that people get in on the inversion IPA. Let's change color. On that inversion IPA already are trade free, because if you get in like here, just like this, your stop loss should be the same, and then your target should be higher prices. So as soon as you see this is 1-to-1, what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your trade risk free. That's normal, that's okay. So that's where the market come down once again, as that's why he called that as inducement, but he missed that IPA. It was very clear, but yeah, it was very clear after it's happened. On the live, when you are in live, is completely different. All right, so what you do is you need to take that in consideration as well, because he missed a nice trade on the IPA. Yeah, he should trade from that level, and just below that it was a 5 pips. That was amazing. And also as the inducement, you can put like 1 pip below, something like that, and you can target the first internal range liquidity. So that's what he should do it, and he don't. But yeah, you need to stay focused more and yeah, take the IPA as a consideration as well, as they create a nice inducement. You see it. So the thing is, he see it. He should trying to use all the tools he have to catch that move, because it was a nice move. So next candle is just tap into that, and then that's the reaction he got it at exactly London open 8 o'clock. That's perfect price and time. So yeah, and then he hit the target, and now the market's just open the buy stops at this rejection block and just drop in, target traders to get in once again, and probably is take it out already, and yeah, and take them out now. So yeah, this is what you should do, guys. This is just a quick review, so let's take that in consideration, because this is how we learn, this is how we get better, and that is how we should do as a team. Thank you for watching, guys.